Everyone thinks you need to invent your own product to win on Amazon. I've done over $50 million in sales across 6 years, and I've never created a single thing, not one. Here's what I actually do instead. Now, check this out, because I know somebody watching is like, all right, yeah, okay, buddy, sure you did. I get it. I'd say the same thing. So this is my real Seller Central. We did 12.1 million in 2024, 15 million in 2025, and this year, 2026, we're already at 11 million. Over $50 million lifetime across 2 accounts. No invention, no brand of my own, no ads. Guys, I never even designed a logo. So how does this work, right? How do you sell $50 million in products and never make a single product? That's what we're covering today. And let me tell you straight up, the answer is gonna sound almost too simple. It's exactly why most people skip right past it and go ahead and lose money on the flashy stuff instead. Trust me, I know. I was legit one of those people. I lost money twice before I figured this out. And I'm gonna show you exactly where it went wrong, because I always give you the good, the bad, and the ugly on this channel. By the end of this video, you're gonna understand the model behind the number, why it works for regular people with jobs and bills, and the 3-part framework that runs my entire business in about 4 to 8 hours per week. Not 8 hours a day, 4 to 8 hours per week. Deal? Okay, cool. Let's get into it. Now, first things first, if I don't show you proof of everything, are you really gonna listen to anything else I say? Probably not, right? So let's quickly get this out of the way. This is the dashboard. 12.1 million in sales in 2024, 15 million in sales 2025, and 11 million current sales in 2026. But here's the part that actually matters for you. I started this business with $2,500. $2,500, guys. Zero business experience. I had never sold a single thing online in my entire life. All I had ever done was buy stuff. And at that time, I was working 60 to 90 hours a week at my government job, making a little over 100K, but busting my butt. I was doing every single thing that they tell you to do. Go, got my degree, worked full-time, overtime, paid off my debt. I was driving a red Honda Accord Coupe, and I was skipping out on every single luxury. And every time I looked at that freaking Chase bank account, I couldn't help but shake this feeling that I was still stuck. Anyone else there? You're making decent money on paper, but somehow it doesn't feel like it, because I promise you, you are not alone. So no, I'm not some Silicon Valley guy who raised a bunch of money and hired a team of geniuses to figure this out. I was the guy busting my butt at a W-2 wondering why the math never worked out in my favor. And the reason I'm telling you all that is because this model only exists because I stopped doing what every other YouTube guru told me to do, which was go and build my own brand and product line. Let me explain why that advice almost took me out of the game completely. Okay, quick question, and I want you to actually think about this one. Do you think Nike needs your help selling shoes? Of course not, right? Nike does over $40 million a month just on Amazon. Just on Amazon, guys. Apple does around $300 million a month on Amazon. These brands already spend decades and billions of dollars making people want their stuff. So why in the world would you, a regular person with a job and a couple grand saved, try to compete with that by inventing some brand new product that no one's ever heard of? It doesn't make sense, right? So we do the opposite. Sell the products that people are already looking to spend their money on. It's called brand direct wholesale. You go directly to real brands. You open up legitimate wholesale accounts as an authorized seller. You buy their products at a discounted wholesale price, and you sell them on Amazon listings that already exist. Listings that already have reviews, images, sales history, all of it. People are already buying these products every single day. You are not convincing anybody of anything. You're just getting a piece of a transaction that was already happening. Now, write this next part down and let me know in the comments if you ever had issues trying to sell random products on Amazon. I'm about to fix that. That's because Amazon does not want random resellers anymore. Those days are over. What Amazon wants right now are authorized sellers who work directly with brand. That shift scared a whole lot of people out of the game. And for people who actually understand it, it is the biggest opportunity on the platform right now. And I will die on that hill. Did you even know you were allowed to sell big brands like Nike or Crayola or whatever as a regular person? Because nobody told me that either. Nobody. But here's the big aha moment. Go after smaller brands. I personally love brands that do under 3 million a month. Here's why. Number one, they already need your help and your capital. Number two, less people know about them, so there's inherently less competition. Number three, While 3 million isn't a lot of money on Amazon, it's a micro brand, since the platform does $2 billion per day, that is still a lot of money in our bank account if we get microscopic pieces of all those pies. Real quick, and then we just keep it moving. If this is already clicking for you and you want me to walk you through this whole model live, I run a free Amazon wholesale workshop where I break all of this down step by step. And you can ask me anything you want at that. The link is right there in the description. It costs you absolutely nothing. Go grab your spot, then come right back, because what I'm about to tell you is the part that cost me real money to learn. Now, it didn't start here. I wish somebody had shaken me up and told me this on day one. I got burned twice. And I want to walk you through both burns because they are probably the exact things YouTube is pushing on you right now. So the first money I ever lost online, I lost it real freaking quick. First, I tried drop shipping. Everyone was screaming about drop shipping. Anyone who tried it before? Here's the problem no one talks about. You have no product advantage, none. So the only way anyone ever finds out about your store is advertising and marketing. And those ads will literally eat your profit alive. I lost money fast paying Facebook to send me traffic that brought me absolutely nothing. Then I tried the next shiny thing, private label. Launch your own product, build your own brand, be the next big thing, guys. I lost $5,000 in my first 60 days. 60 days, and I'm not gonna lie to you, that one hurt. I almost completely gave up. Because here's what private label actually is when you strip away all the guru packaging. It's a bet. You are betting thousands of dollars that total strangers will want to come to your product with 0 reviews, 0 sales, 0 history, 0 reason to exist next to the big name brand sitting right next to it. Does that bet ever hit? Sure. But for regular people without the ability to risk thousands and tens of thousands of dollars, usually it doesn't pan out. But here's what clicked for me right after those 2 losses, and this was the big light bulb moment. What if I just listed everyday products that people were already buying? Look, my 4th order in was this grocery order. I remember working out of this basement office in Queens, New York. There was like 6 of us down there trying to figure all this stuff out on my own. I remember running upstairs, taking a picture of those boxes and throwing them bad boys down the stairs. I was moving like a freaking Ninja Turtle trying to get everything ready and get into Amazon. That $4,000 order turned into $2,000 net profit for me. Now, $2,000, is that a lot of money or a little bit of money? It's pretty much a little bit of money. It's not life-changing. Nobody's out there buying Benzes and Rolexes with $2,000. But what it gave me was proof of concept that this thing actually works. Think about what's not in that story. No ad spend, no marketing, no convincing anyone to buy, no praying that strangers take the chance on my inventory and my invention. The demand was already sitting there in public, on the listing, with the sales history to prove it. All I did was show up on the right side of the transaction. And that's the difference I need you to really get here. Dropshipping and private label puts you in charge of creating demand. Wholesale puts you into demand that already exists. One is a gamble, the other is math. Pretty clear, right? All right, cool. Now, one good grocery order is a cute story. Turning that into 50 million, that takes a system. And that system has a name. Everything you will ever see on this channel runs through 3 S's. Source, sell, scale. Who's writing this down? Seriously, write them down if you're serious about scaling your business this year. Number 1 is source. That's finding the absolute best products to sell on Amazon. And here's the funny part. The best products are usually the boring ones. The stuff people buy month after month, year after year, without even thinking about it. Things like coffee, laundry detergent, toilet paper. We call those replenishable products. And they're a huge reason why we did $860,000 in sales our very first year. People literally reorder this stuff on autopilot, guys. I use real data to find these products, and I'll be doing full breakdowns of exactly how right here on this channel. Number 2 is sell. That's actually running the operation, and this is where I lose all those hustle bros. You need about 8 hours per week to run the business if you're doing it effectively. Remember, I built this thing while working 60 to 90 hours a week at my government job. If this model needed 40 hours a week, I would still be at that job because I did not have 40 hours to give it. The whole business runs from a laptop and a phone from anywhere in the damn world. You don't need to touch a single box. And please, 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 learn from my dumbest mistake here. At one point, we signed a 5-year lease on a 20,000 square foot warehouse that cost us $20,000 a month. Write that down. The biggest mistake we ever made in business. Please don't do what we did. You do not need a warehouse. I'll show you how to get around that. And number three is scale. My favorite one of all, because scale in this business does not mean more work. It means make more money and work less hours. Year one, we did 860K. Year two, 3.3 million. And that's the year I was able to walk out of my freaking job. Today, I put in about 4 hours a week on a business doing 8 figures per year. 4 hours a week, because the system runs on leverage, not me. Real quick, do me a favor. Which of those three do you feel like your business is missing right now? One, finding the right products, running the thing, or learning how to scale it. Put a 1, 2, or 3 in the comments, because that literally tells me which videos to make next for you. Okay, now before anybody gets too excited, I gotta be straight up with you about who this model is actually for, because it's not for everybody. And I'd rather lose you right now than waste your time. Look, if you came for some get rich quick scheme, let me save you some time. This is not it. Click away. No hard feelings, I promise. This model is built for a very specific person. You got a job that eats up most of your week. You got decent money, some savings, maybe even got good money on paper, but somehow it doesn't feel like that anymore. You got those savings and you thought about gambling that money on ads or some unproven product that makes you sick to your stomach. Good. That instinct is correct. Protect that instinct, because that was me in 2019. 6 figures on paper, stuck in real life, watching people online talk about financial freedom like it just popped up in my damn bank account one day. But none of it made any sense to me. I didn't need another lottery ticket. I needed something simple, stable, and scalable that could run in the cracks of a brutal work week. That's exactly what this business model gave me. So if you're that person, limited hours, real responsibility, zero appetite for gambling, hear me on this. You are not behind. You are the exact profile this model was built for. The skeptical, careful, show me the numbers first person wins in wholesale, because this entire business is in the numbers. So now you have the model behind 50 million. You don't invent, you don't gamble, you sell products from brands that people are already looking for, ones that are already winning, plugged into demand that already exists. That's the model. If you're ready to go all in on Amazon Wholesale, watch this video next. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments, because I read and respond to all of them. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Later, guys. I'll see you in the next one.